Welcome back to another Titan Fuel Tanks Tips and Tricks video. Today we're working on our 7030113, which is the 2013 to 2022 Dodge Ram Crew Cab Short Bed 4-wheel drive equipped with the Cummins engine. After lifting and securing the vehicle, we find it easier to access the fuel tank by removing the left rear wheel and tire combo and the left rear wheel liner. You can now remove the tank straps, the rear vent line connection, along with the fuel and electrical connections from on top of the fuel sending unit. At this point, you can now remove the main fill and vent line hoses. Clean any loose debris from sending unit area before removal of sending unit top flange. The sending unit top ring can be removed by using a punch and hammer and tapping the sending unit torque ring counterclockwise. Ensure that the fuel line and vent line hoses from the factory tank are clocked in the same position when they are reinstalled on the Titan fuel tank. When installing the factory sending unit, ensure that the tab location matches the tab location on the Titan fuel tank. The new torque ring has a tighter tolerance than the factory setup. This may require more force to get it to seat properly. Reassemble all hoses, vent lines, and wheel well components in the reverse order of disassembly. Double check that everything is connected and tight. Thanks for following along with the Titan Fuel Tanks Tips and Tricks videos. We hope you enjoy your extended fuel range.